So hi there, how you doing? A very good evening. This is me, Jasleen Kapani. I'm the founder CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. One more day, Friday, and then the weekend starts. Apparently, for a lot of people on Saturday, and many of them only on a Sunday. And I think Monday just happened a few days back, didn't it? Or is my calendar going wrong or whatever? I think it's a Thursday, isn't it? Right? So, anyways, even if it's not, the weekend is going to be around the corner and stuff. I've lost count of this because I've not checked the day, honestly speaking, So, Justin Kapani, the founder and CEO, like I said on your screen. So, what is my share all about? I'm more interested in sharing this about ideas and plans to stepping out of your comfort zone and doing something different because I realize that if you want to kind of take a break, the usual stuff doesn't always work. So previously, I'd shared this thing about being having a certain discipline when you're doing stuff and all that. Discipline doesn't mean that you're, you know, uh, over structured or over regulated and you just do those stipulated two, three things and you're a boring person. It means you're a person who's basically smart and sensible enough to kind of, uh, kind of stick to what you decide and do it, right? That's what it means. It means that if you've decided that I'm going to exercise, I'm going to exercise. It means that if I'm going to play a game of golf, I'm going to play a game of golf. It means that if I have to book a plane of I have to book tickets to a plane and I have to go on my holiday. I'm going to do it. It means if I'm to get a haircut, I'm going to get a haircut. It means if I've decided to cut short on my drinking habits or my smoking cigarettes and stuff, I'm going to do it. It doesn't mean willpower. It means just being determined enough to sticking to what you decide and stuff. It's in simple things. It's like you wake up in the morning and you know you clean up your room, you make your bed, you brush your teeth, you have a bath, you take your pet for a walk, you make your chai, coffee, and stuff. So people normally confuse routine for a discipline. Routine is absolutely different than a discipline. Discipline is something which continues outside your routine and stuff. Routine is overhyped. Routine is something which I'm very anti and not in favor of and stuff because too much of routine into your system is catastrophic. If you've been doing something for 20 years, then if you've left that environment, if you've left that job, if you've left doing that particular profession, or you've changed your career, or let's say you've retired or something, because your routine is so much into your system, engraved into your system and stuff, you just can't change your habits and stuff and all that. So that is why I say routine is sometimes extremely catastrophic and stuff. And similar people in the same profession or in your careers will actually say it's okay to have a routine and stuff, but it can become a little challenging for people who are of different age groups or different professions or different lifestyles in your immediate environment and stuff like that, like different generations. Children may have an issue with you sleeping very early or not wanting to go out, not wanting to participate in sports, not wanting to watch certain kind of movies, or not being, let's say, fond of certain kind of music, or not wanting to, go to uh, whatever. I mean, not the same hobbies and not the same tastes and stuff like that. So always a good idea to bridge that gap and stuff like that. So now what am I sharing here? I'm actually sharing something which is ideas to overcome this. So obviously if I'm talking about all of that, I'm addressing a concern, I'm offering something which is a solution which I normally do, and this is on how to kind of come out of that comfort zone or stay more passionate or stay more, the word people use is have more hobbies or have more enthusiasm, be more joyful or be more futuristic or be more involved in so-called life and stuff and all. Downtime सबको allowed है, ठीक है? I mean, I've also slept like 2 hours abhi. You know, I was not. I mean, I didn't have a good sleep and stuff, and a little bit of a health concern or whatever. So I've also slept 2 hours. You know, so everybody's allowed a downtime and stuff. But the point is, what did I do previously is important. What I plan to do tomorrow is important, and what's very important is also to not compare your life consistently with other people, what you see on social media, what you see on TV and stuff. We keep sharing this, because the thing is this, that what happens is that we don't realize that what looks amazing or what is sold online and stuff may actually just be a facade, or it may not be that great and stuff. And some people who don't even present themselves online may be having some really amazing experiences and stuff like that, which you're not even aware of because they don't even exist online and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to address that in video 2. I'll come back, right?